And I was like, surely it's not going to fall, it's just windy. Oh, the rain that beat me. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 in Lagos, Nigeria. So yesterday I didn't finish shopping what I needed to shop. Most of the brands had closed by the time I got there, and those were like my biggest purchases, so I have to go back today. I'm just trying to do my skincare right now, and pardon my confusion. I'm just trying to see if this filming setup works for me. So today I'm actually going to go to the makeup shops, pick up what I want, and come back and go somewhere else. So I'm not going to do makeup. This is the moisturizer I'm using. I'm not doing any makeup. I'm just going to kind of look decent and presentable. And when I come back, I'll have to shower again and go out. So yeah, get ready with me for day 2 of my vacation stroke business trip in Lagos, Nigeria. So the first place I went to was to Amabe's place because I just wanted to get my yummies and my snacks, and then I didn't know what time I'll close from the market, so I didn't want to go to the market, come back tired, and then not have enough energy to catch up with her. So yeah, I went to her place first, and I was just taking in the view of this beautiful stadium. And then afterwards I went to Flawless Ivy Cosmetics. Like I said, this was where I was going to make some of my biggest purchases. So I saw some things in person which I really was happy about. I picked a lot of foundation shades, and the most important reason why I went to shop in person was to test them and swatch the shades. So I want to try it on my neck. This is what it. This is my type. This is right here. Let me see, not my shade. I can still see it. Charles Road on back. Let me try caramel. Okay. No, my under tone is not red. This one is the neck. The same neck that you people are checking. Bonnie. Is it red? Literally, I can't see anything. It means ebony is my perfect shade here. So yeah, I selected all the shades that I wanted. I mean, buying products to sell as a makeup artist is wonderful because I know what shades I use, what shades are the most popular, and I wouldn't sell what I don't use. So I picked a few of the powder shades and concealers, a lot of foundations, and my trusty setting powder. I believe this is the first product I ever used from Flawless Ivy, maybe apart from their primer. Their primer was sold out. They only had this spray primer here. So I just bought the other things that were on my list, and I added some things that I didn't have, and I was just really happy to be here. Honestly, I feel like this is the one I was most excited to buy. And yeah, I finished up. I bought some setting sprays as well, and afterwards I was like, all this plenty money I spent for this small carton. Well, this lady is just an expert in packaging, because when I go home it was really a struggle to unbox this stuff. Then I went by and saw this woman selling abacha. I didn't realize to be some of the best abacha I've ever had. It wasn't sour, wasn't anyhow, it was wonderful. Well done, ma. Yeah, abacha was very nice. You guys can find her here, just inside Trade Fair Market. You can see the Avoa Cosmetics sign, and this is where her table is. All right, bye, ma. Thank you. Leaving Trade Fair Market and seeing the clouds like this was strange because why does it look like it wants to rain? And this was where I was like, nah, it's not going to rain. And then on getting to this place called CMS, which is where most buses pick up people, it's like a very central area. The bus hadn't come yet, so I was busy taking touristic videos and shots. And after getting the bus, I went to get some food from the place. I really liked their fried rice. I think it was basmati fried rice that was made with eggs. It was wonderful, and this was just me looking at their different proteins that they had, which were very, very pricey. But anyway, I rate them really good because I really liked the food. And then I found this beautiful walkway and I was like, this is gorgeous. And then guess what? Beautiful weather became this. I came back drenched, as in you can see my back, you can see my dress. I was just going from pretty to drenched in water, and yeah, that was about my day. If people did not tell me that it's like this, so I saw the weather forecast this morning and went out anyway. In fact, I saw it in the afternoon and the weather was so hot, I was cleaning my sweat. And then out of nowhere, it became cloudy at the time I left the market, and I was like, surely it's not going to fall, it's just windy. Oh, the rain that beat me. In February, is that how you people do it here? Anyway, I had an interesting day. I went to finish up my shopping, and thankfully, I have finished all the shopping. I'm so happy to have met Ama Bakes and Chops on Instagram, Facebook, and if you were in Cyprus, I'm pretty sure you know of Ama Bakes. She's the first ever black person to own a bakery in North Cyprus. In fact, she served us the best Nigerian snacks, home away from home. She served raw pap, she had moi moi, she had akara, she had all the chops, the cakes, the meat pies, pastries, stuff that agege bread, almost a lot of things that she served. But for today, I actually got instant puff mix, I got the cake mixes, and she also gifted me one cake mix as well. And I also got her chin chin. Guys, I don't think I've ever tasted any chin chin as wonderful as that. It's not going to hurt your teeth. It is just the right amount of crunchy. It's also the right amount of sugar, right amount of all the ingredients. And this same person writes books on healthy living. So I would like you guys to try and check out Ama Bakes on Instagram. I'm going to put her handle, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy everything that she has to offer. She's based in Lagos, but she ships worldwide. Anyway, tomorrow is going to be all pleasure. We've done all the business part of this trip, and it's just time to relax and enjoy before I leave this town. It has been real, and I can't wait to take you guys through day 3. Have a good night, y'all. Mwah.